koi.
As in koi carp.
Let's get the box open. First impressions, Tony. I want to know what they are.
Well, we got this because it's really colourful, and the box is colourful, and the stand was colourful, and therefore I was really interested.
The artwork looks lovely.
And if you have a look, there's all sorts of weird components on the back of it, so really keen to crack this open and see what we get. Ah, there we go.
All right, first things first.
Ooh.
What's the smell like of the box?
Well, I've been distracted by these
beautiful fish.
By these plastic, translucent, see-through tokens.
Can we just appreciate how great the inside of this box looks? It just looks like a nice.
It looks like a pond.
It looks like a pond, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Because usually you just get like grey, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so they've taken a bit of care there, which you spotted and I completely ignored.
Mate, you got distracted by these
fish.
fish.
Look at these fish. Oh, I'm going to... So you get, look, big fish, little fish.
Cardboard box.
That's what we got here. I think I've got their new slogan. Big fish, little fish, cardboard box.
And we've got a dance move for it, so yeah, we're good.
We have. Have these got a plastic film on them?
I think so.
Yeah, just to make sure they don't get scratched.
Should we take them off and get them scratched?
Well, we shall try, but with no nails.
I've got it.
You've got it. You got it. There you go. Oh, now they are looking cool.
They're looking coy.
They are coy cool. Colourful fishes. What else could you want? To be honest, do we really need to look at the game? Can we just not play with the fishes?
I think we've got enough, yeah. Who needs all this? Now, moving on from trying to peel off that badly, looks like we've got a player...
Yeah, player scorecard. Fairly normal thing.
Hopefully sometimes you can buy refills, though.
That's what I was about to say. Hopefully you can get or PDFs you can download.
Yeah. Oh, little board game for you.
Little board.
You like a board?
We do. That's a tiny one. So that's obviously just to put the cards on by the look of it.
Yeah.
Either that's going to be what you're playing in a turn, or it's going to be stacks of cards.
Ooh.
Oh.
They are colourful, aren't they?
Yeah, those are great.
Okay.
I love games that have really bold, colourful artwork that's a sort of style. Do you know what I mean?
And I like how simple this is. Something about hexes, something about 3 of them. You've got something about 2, and you've obviously put yours together. They're barrels nice.
So the cards are going to explain with nice visual, clear, large icons what they do.
Yeah.
So a little bit of learning to be had, but then that will make the game so much quicker.
Your classic well. Yeah, nice. I love the artwork. It's so colourful what they've done.
It is.
Statues, bridges.
Buddhas.
Purple water lily. Nice.
Okay, so there's some cool... What else you got in the box? You got some bags.
I do like to put my things in bags, yeah.
So, are you short? Are you going to throw that around? So, short booklet here.
It is always good when your game comes with sandwich bags. You know?
It is, because if the game's no good, there's always somewhere to store your lunch.
Exactly.
So, what have we got here? Oh, lots of
hexes.
Of teal
I found the
hexes.
purple lilies.
I found the yellow lilies and some cards.
Nice.
There are a lot of tokens
There's
in there.
There's a lot of this, yeah.
Okay, and some of these tokens, look, if we pop one of those...
Do you reckon you have to build your own, pond?
I'm assuming you have to build and...
Because it looks like enough for most players to have one.
Bring up your koi.
Yeah.
Perhaps on the bottom of the box, I think there's a picture.
Oh, hang on. No, hang on. Here's your player cards.
Ah, right, at the bottom.
Your player, yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So they're like your sort of operator type consoles is the word I was looking for.
Then you've got these standees and bridges that become 3D and stand up.
Well, that is cool, actually, yeah.
That's nice, isn't it? To decorate your pond and get a bridge. I assume that will give you a bonus. You've got trees here that pop out, a waterfall. You've got 4 players by the look of it. So you've got this young lady, this guy with a cat.
All right, yep.
I don't know where the others have gone.
4 Sensei player boards.
Oh, there they are, yes. You've got Grandma here, and this geezer here. So you've got 4 players. Do they all have the same skills? Yeah, it looks like everything's the same on the board.
Yeah, so the skill happens on the table.
It's going to be these cards, these tokens, these fish.
And probably where you place your hexes.
Yes. And what are we looking at here? Probably, 60 minutes? Yeah, 45 minutes, 1 to 4 players.
Yeah.
And if you have a look, 10 or above.
Yeah, 10 to 99.
Yes, if you're 100, this is not for you. Yeah, you've done. Which is a bit harsh, really, because this lady looks like she could be 100.
But she can't play.
She can't play. She's out.
Okay, so the Japanese term koi refers to a multicolored carp, also known as swimming flowers. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Ah, so we're going to get a bit of Japanese history and culture as well. Cool.
Yeah, nice.
So I love these. I love these themed games that lean heavily into a theme, and really the artwork, the rules. I love the extra bits of sort of flavour text.
Yep, you can have springs, water, foliage. I like the table. It's very, very easy to understand the size, what they look like, where you place them. Yeah, this looks quite a nice, easy read to understand how to play, which is great. I love this. Yeah, it looks like you build up your tiles with the fish in the middle, or the koi, should I say? Yeah.
No, this looks like a game that you could learn. It's got there's a solo variant as well. That's always great for those of you out there with no mates. This is the game for you. It's got a solo variant. Again, sometimes a great way of learning it.
You can play with yourself. We can play with others. First impressions. What do we think?
I think this is going to be a nice, easy. I like the idea that this could, for the younger players, especially for families. This looks like the sort of game that my family would have played. My 2 kids would have played.
Buy it for Christmas, after your Sunday lunch. Great game to play.
Koi, colourful, fun.
Everything's been well designed. From the tokens to the boards, everything looks really colourful. The quality feels great. I feel like it's certainly a good step up. So yeah.
I think this would be a solid purchase and probably really good fun. Looking forward to trying this.
Yep, so if you like fish, this is the game for you.